We're back with RENOGY and we're checking out the bifacial 550 watt monocrystalline solar panels because these are the largest solar panels I've ever seen. If you're in a hurry and just looking for a discount, you can use my promo code ADVENTURETECH, get a deal on this, help support my channel at the same time. You can even use that if there's already a discounted price. This will add an extra discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description to get over to these pages. But let's take a closer look. These are pretty much the largest solar panels that you can get and they are amazing. These generate 30% more power by capturing sunlight from both sides, delivering reliable power even in partially shady conditions, eligible for up to 30% residential clean energy credit, maximize energy on snowy days for year-round performance. During the winter, these really pick up because the white reflects so much back with the snow on the ground. Backed by a 25-year warranty ensuring long-term energy production. Let's take a closer look. Up to 715 watt power output out of a 550 watt solar panel. That is really amazing. We got 13 years of off-grid innovations with this company. They have an amazing reputation. Everybody out there pretty much knows RENOGY or has seen some of their equipment or has experienced with some of their equipment if they're into the camper, trailer, off-grid game. 30% more energy yield. That is amazing. I'd like to see that. We're going to be taking a closer look at these really soon and doing some unboxing and testing on these. So don't forget, you can subscribe for free by clicking the subscribe button. That'll be coming up pretty soon. IP68 waterproof. So these are waterproof and dustproof, keeping them in good condition so they'll last a long time for you. 10 BB half cell technology. This is going to be great, helping these still produce a lot of power even in shady conditions. Bifacial energy technology. Yield up to 30% more. Capture sunlight from both sides of the panel, delivering up to 30% more energy compared to traditional monofacial solar panels, ensuring maximum efficiency and power generation. Another thing that's great about these bifacial solar panels, the angle of the panel isn't going to be a huge concern. Definitely seen some pretty unorthodox bifacial solar panel setups and they actually pull in a lot of power. Real world size comparison. Look at the size of these. They're basically the size of a sheet of plywood. They are huge. They pull in an amazing amount of power. You don't have to deal with a lot of cords and it's easy to set a lot of these up together, giving you an insane amount of power coming in. You can work with ground mount installation or roof installation. Take advantage of the high efficiency of bifacial solar panels by storing excess energy in batteries for future use and selling it back to the power grid. So if you're into the game of selling power, these are ideal. Setup's easier, less wires to deal with, 25-year warranty on these. These are the way to go. Durability for any weather. Now these are big solar panels, but they can also handle snow and crazy wind. RENOGY solar panels are rigorously tested and validated to endure extreme conditions to ensure reliable performance year-round. Optimized performance in shady conditions. Now these are the cells that we were talking about, incorporating advanced technologies like PERC cells, half-cut design bypass diodes, and 10 bus bars. This panel is engineered to maximize energy output even when partially shaded, delivering consistent power in challenging environments. See, with some solar panels, even if they're partially shaded or if you have a bunch of solar panels that have an array, sometimes one panel will really pull down the power of all the other panels as well. With all these advanced technologies all put together into one, it helps keeping these at higher energy output even during shady conditions, something you're not going to get out of other solar panels. The bifacial design helps shed snow faster and warm the panel more quickly, ensuring uninterrupted energy generation. The rear side continues to capture reflected light, providing consistent power for off-grid living even in winter conditions. I actually painted the roof on my camper white, threw a couple bifacial solar panels on it. I tell you what, the output was crazy. It was definitely maxing out way past the 550 watts. So you have those versatile mounting options. Designed to accommodate a variety of installation methods, these panels offer flexibility for strategic energy planning, helping you to create customized solar solutions that meet unique needs. Railed flat roof mounting, foundation mounts, and pole mounts. So you can get these 2 pieces, 4 pieces, 6 pieces, 10 pieces at a time. You see that you get a pretty big discount, and the more you go up, the more of a discount you get. When I usually order something big like this, I try to get at least 6 or so because you're gonna get a really good deal per solar panel. You can use my promo code ADVENTURETECH on any product from RENOGY and get a little bit of a discount on top of the sale prices. Use the links in the comments or description to get over to these pages, get a good deal, and help support my channel at the same time, which I always appreciate greatly. If you want to learn more about this tech, feel free to subscribe to my channel for free by clicking the subscribe button. Most important, click that bell icon so that when I drop these new videos, you can be one of the first people to hear about these limited deals.